I am the heart. I am the hands of God on earth. That's what our daily word said. I am the heart and I am the hands of God on earth. Let's take that idea with us into meditation together. We believe here in Unity in entering the silence. And that's the silence inside each of us. That place of quiet and calm where we connect with our divine higher mind, with the Holy Spirit, our inner guide. So as you get comfortable in your seat and as we think about the word love, I am loving. I am the heart. I am the hands of God on this earth. So, can you imagine God as a bright light above your head that slowly sinks down and touches you, touches the top of your head. Classic art shows people with this halo around their head, above their head, the halo of the divine mind. See that coming down to you. See it coming down through you. See it swirling around you. I am the heart. I am the hands of God on earth. See that light coming down around you, through you, in your heart. Can you imagine your heart glowing with this divine light? It's glowing. It's glowing. It's pulsing forth. Can you imagine that in your body? Can you imagine your hands glowing? That whatever you touch is touched with the divine touch. That when you touch another, you touch them with the divine hands of God. I am the heart. I am the hands of God on earth. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, we are loving. We are the hands and heart of God on earth. May that image stay with you. not just today, not just this week, but forever. That the light in you, the light in your heart, the light in your hands, is the light and love of divine presence. And so it is.